Hi, I'm Claire. I'm not an RV expert, but I'm here with Chris, who's a certified RV technician. If you're a new RVer or you just need a refresher on the basics in your RV, then this video is for you.
We're going to be answering the age-old question today of, can you poop in your RV toilet?
I'm very excited to hear the answer, but before we start, a couple of ground rules. Number one, your education is our priority. Number two, we are not here to talk down on any brands or throw any brands under the bus. In fact, we might actually have a few recommendations for you guys.
This will be a short one, so let's get started.
All right, Chris, let's cut the crap. Can you poop in your RV toilet?
Yes. But in all seriousness, you can use your RV toilet, and we recommend that you do so. We've heard of some pretty wild lengths which people have gone through to avoid using their RV toilet and black tank. These include and are not limited to using a bucket, paint cans, all kinds of stuff, just to avoid using something which the manufacturers put in the RV on purpose. Using the lavatory in your RV can also be a luxury when you are out boondocking and you don't have any place to go outside of the RV. Again, it is provided there for you for a reason.
So we've established that I can poop in the toilet in my RV, but how can I do so without running into issues?
Well, an RV toilet is not like a typical home toilet in that it's not connected to a system at all times. So the things which you're going to want to remember when it comes to an RV toilet are to always keep plenty of water inside of the black water holding tank. This will help keep odors at bay by covering up the waste and paper which is inside of there. Make sure that you only allow poop, paper, water, urine, and a holding tank treatment to go through the toilet and into the black water holding tank. You're also going to want to use a high quality holding tank treatment. This will help to break down the waste and toilet paper inside of there, which will also lend in cleaning out the tank a little bit better when it's time to dump it. We recommend keeping several inches of water inside the RV toilet bowl in between uses. This will create a vapor barrier which will block odors from the black water holding tank and the rest of the RV. Be sure and always keep the black water holding tank valve in the closed position. This might sound intuitive, but even on full hookups camping, you should keep the black water valve always closed unless you are dumping the tank. Speaking of dumping the tank, be sure that you do so when it is at least 2/3 to 100% full. And then whenever possible and you're dumping the black water holding tank, be sure and rinse it out thoroughly. You'll want to do this as whenever it is practical to do so. However, if there's a line at a dump station or something to that effect, you can wait until the next time. You will also not want to ever put your RV into storage with any waste inside of the black water holding tank. Be sure that it is empty at the time of which you're putting it into storage.
Thanks, Chris. It's nice to know that if you have to go, you can go in your own toilet in your RV.
Absolutely. And if you do happen to run into any troubles while you're out camping, we do have many other videos which will walk you through various situations and help you get them sorted out so you can get back to worry-free camping.
And thanks for watching. If you have any questions about anything that we covered, just let us know in the comments. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.